Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a little different, and in this video, I'll be sharing my 2021 trading journey and many more. When I thought about this video initially, I was doubtful on whether to post this video or not because I did not want to sound flashy and boast about my accomplishments. But if you've been watching my videos for a while, I don't think the purpose behind these videos need any explanation. But if you're new to my videos, my goal behind this video is to make sure you have very realistic expectations from day trading. As you know, day trading very often is presented as an easy, flashy, rich lifestyle, but in reality, it's different. It's one of the toughest jobs, and that's the reason why 90% of traders fail. So if you're a beginner, your focus should be on your trading and not what trading could buy you. That is why this channel is not about me, it's about my trading, and that's the reason why I prefer to be behind the camera. So if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into the video. Before we get to the actual numbers, I think I need to give a bit of background about my trading journey. I started trading back in 2017, and like every beginner trader, I had my struggles. I was a consistently losing trader, and in the process, I lost a couple $1,000s and blew up multiple accounts. After a few years of struggle, I finally became profitable in 2020. During that time, I perfected my strategy and found an edge trading stocks. I proved to myself that I can be profitable before moving on to options in 2021. That was the switch that helped me get some good numbers on the board. I got into options trading after 3 years of trading stocks, and I think that was the best thing that happened to me. Had I started with options first, I would have failed big time, as options, as you know, are much more riskier than stocks. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you start with stocks, prove yourself, and then move on to options once you find your edge. Always set realistic goals and expectations and don't follow the money. If you follow the money, you may soon find yourself in a very bad spot. And before we get to the actual numbers, I want to make sure that you don't compare my 5-year journey with your first year. Because what you're about to see is 5 years of struggle, hard work, and dedication. So work hard and don't give up. That being said, let's get to the numbers quickly, and then I'll take you guys through my brokerage account. So I currently have 2 trading accounts. The first one with Fidelity, which was opened around October of 2021. The second account is with Webull, which is my current trading account. I no longer use Fidelity for my trading, but I use Fidelity account for my retirement accounts like my Roth IRA and my traditional IRA. So with Fidelity account, 2021, my overall gains is around $19,725.09. And with my Webull account, my total gains for 2021 is around $128,882.86. So in total, my 2021 gains before tax is around $148,600. Now let's head on to my Fidelity brokerage account to verify my 2021 gains. As you could see, I don't have any open position for this account. Let me change the date filter from Jan 2021 to December 2021. As you could see, this is not a screenshot. $19,725 is my net gain on the year. Now let's review my Webull brokerage account. On my Webull account, I actually started trading around November. As you could see, the numbers have increased in November. This account primarily was my swing trading account where I was holding stocks like SoFi. I actually liquidated all my position just to focus on option trading. And I think I got lucky because after I liquidated my positions, the stock market crashed and all my positions would have been deep red. But I liquidated those positions, freed up my cash, and I used that cash to start trading options, which gave me some good results. As you could see here, in 2021, I had around 387% return on my investment. Let me show the numbers actually. So from Jan, let me change this number. Maybe Jan 6 to end date being, you could see it's red in the money. This was because of my swing positions were actually red. So let me change it for the full year, starting Jan, ending December. You could see $120,882, which translates to around 387% return on my investment. So this is my TraderView account for 2021. Now with TraderView, I want to actually show my stats, my quick stats. In 2020, I made $7,866. And in 2021, I made $141,000. There is a difference of $6,000 to $7,000 in TraderView. The reason being, TraderView tracks my investments in my IRA account as well. I took a loss of around $6,000 in UiPath. That's why you have a difference of $6,000 in TraderView. So here what I want you guys to see is my transformation from 2020 to 2021. The real switch happened when I flipped to options trading. If you look at my calendar view, for October, I think I started trading options around the 18th, and that is when the big numbers came in, like $1,000 to $3,000, $5,000, and obviously losers. In November, it was one of the biggest months. I got my first 10 grand winner. Then I got a 12 grand winner. Losers were small. I did not trade this week. And then in December, I had quite a number of losers, but my winners outweighed my losers. So if you look at my calendar, from October 18th to December 31st, that's 48 days of trading. And I made close to around $142,000 during that 48-day period. So this did not happen overnight. It took some time, took years of struggle. And I'm very mindful of the fact that one bad trade can wipe out everything good I've done. So going into markets, that's the first thing that I keep in mind. And I hope I continue to be disciplined and take only A quality setups. Now that out of the way, what are my goals for 2022? 2022, I like to focus on my trades rather than any profit number, because when you focus on your trades, numbers will follow. Do your job and results will follow, and I'm a firm believer of that. So in 2022, my primary focus would be on improving my trades. I'd like to trade only A+ setup. I don't want to get into a bad trade and give back my gains. So I'll focus only on trading A+ setup. I'll trade probably morning sessions only, probably the first 1 hour of market open, because that's the time where I've made most of my profits. And anytime I've extended that session, I've taken huge hits as well. So I'll be trading the first 1.5 hours in the morning. Then I want to keep my losers small with my max loss around $1 per contract. So I don't have a hard number in mind. I want to limit my losers based on dollar per share rather than a hard number, because when you take big sizes, your losers can be big. So I'd like to keep my max loss around $1 per contract. So if I'm taking a 100 contract position, my max loss would be around 10,000. And finally, I like to have some number goals just to keep track of where I'm heading. So for 2022, I'm aiming for $250,000 in before trading profits. Hopefully, I can get there if I follow my other 3 goals. So I think that pretty much sums up what I had for this video. Going forward, I'll come up with my trading performance statistics at the end of every quarter to keep up with my promise of 100% transparency. I want you guys to join me in this journey, and together let's strive for financial freedom for all. So until you hear from me again, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.